Hey everyone, welcome back to QA and Dev Tips. Today we need to talk about a huge problem hitting software engineering teams right now, the Agentic Paradox. Everyone is building autonomous AI agents for coding, testing, and workflow automation. It feels great when an AI agent can run for 20 minutes and write a code or fix the script automatically, but here's the catch. What's that? The industry reports show that major companies are running out of their annual AI cloud budget in just 6 months. Why? Because autonomous agents use paid frontier API tokens like water. Yes, when a simple prompt becomes an autonomous loop, the AI makes tens or hundreds of hidden API calls in the background. It tries, fails, retries, and fixes itself. And that trial and error process drains cloud tokens fast and inflates your monthly cloud bill. So how do smart dev and QA engineering teams solve this without turning off AI? The answer is a hybrid architecture. Instead of sending every trial and error loop to expensive cloud models, you run an open weight local model on your machine using tools like Llama. Let your local model handle the messy 80% of repetitive coding, test generation, and debugging for free. Then you only call expensive cloud APIs for the final 20%, like the complex reasoning or ultimate verification. So this strategy protects your cloud budget while keeping developer velocity high. Are you running into high API cost or token limits with your AI dev tools? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical QA and engineering tips. See you in the next one.